This is Coddy Rex, CRDR, bro. Yeah, homie.
It's Full Moon Studios.
Please, Mother Nature, please come and help me. I'm lost in the jungle, relationship depression. Please, Mother Nature, please come and help me. I'm lost in the jungle, relationship depression. Please, Mother Nature, please come and help me. I'm lost in the jungle, relationship depression. Please, Mother Nature, please come and help me. I'm lost in the jungle, relationship depression. She just really broke my heart, I'm just really traumatized. I can't even trust nobody, cause I don't even trust myself. I can't even love nobody, cause I don't even love myself. Maybe I'm really paranoid, I just want the best of me. Took a few pills, now I can feel a thing. Yeah, nothing nice, yeah. Baguettes in my mind, I saw it with my eyes. Then I spin the dice, gotta think twice, yeah. All I want is wise. Don't forget some spice. The devil on my shoulder, telling me I'll die. I don't wanna die, yeah. I still wanna live. You wanna die, yeah. I don't wanna die, yeah. I don't wanna die. You wanna run against Coddy Rex, be my guest. I hear you hating, but I still pray for your ghost. I'm a rockstar, living life like a rockstar. Please, Mother Nature, please come and help me. I'm lost in the jungle, relationship depression. Please, Mother Nature, please come and help me. I'm lost in the jungle, relationship depression. Please, Mother Nature, please come and help me. I'm lost in the jungle, relationship depression. Please, Mother Nature, please come and help me. I'm lost in the jungle, relationship depression.
Please, Mother Nature, please come and help me. I'm lost in the jungle, relationship depression. Please, Mother Nature, please come and help me. I'm lost in the jungle, relationship depression. Please, Mother Nature, please come and help me. I'm lost in the jungle, relationship depression.